It's 8:26, still on day 4 of my transformation. I ended up going out and cooking a meal, my special potatoes, and this is a grass-fed beef patty from Costco with the naan bread. So I'm gonna have that for dinner. So that'll be the only thing I've eaten all day. Tomorrow, which will be in a second, you'll see me switch over to the exercises that I'm gonna do for day 5. Today is day 5 of my 30-day body transformation vlog. I built this pull-up thing from the back here. This isn't my yard. The landlord stores all his crap back here. But anyways, I wish this would have been a thinner bar, but this is from what I could find back here to build this. But if you have something in your garage, or if you have anything to do pull-ups on, that'd be great exercise to do. Now, one thing I do is I actually put my chin on the bar and exercise my neck. If you're out of shape, you can stand on something so you get higher, and then actually just jump. Get your neck on there. You notice when I lift my legs, that's working my abs. See, I haven't been using this, so I also hang and twist like this for stretching out my back, side to side, kind of stretches out your fingers. This is why I wanted a thinner bar, because it's difficult with the thick one. And I kind of also just kind of stretch on it, like hold it and go back and forth like this. Today's the first sunny day in like 2 weeks, so that's why I was able to come outside. So it's up to you how much you want to do. You can start down the bottom of it. But I'm so out of shape. That's really all I'm going to do today for pull-ups. That's about it. This is how I look on day 5. Last night I ended up having dinner, that burger. So if I eat dinner, I'll put it on the next day's video at the front, see how that goes. I haven't eaten today. A few individual mango chunks, that's it. That's probably gonna be it for today, because I want to just gradually work my way into it. And then tomorrow do a little more maybe. And I'm also gonna go play my drums for some aerobic exercise. And that's gonna be about it for today.